Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to fry Nigeria akara. Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. And firstly, what I have here, I have my beans. This is white beans. You can as well use any kind of beans, but me today I'm using the white beans. Okay guys, so this is the white beans, the smaller white beans. You know guys, they have the big white beans also, so this is the smaller one. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be pouring my water on it. This one is a warm water so that it can get soft very quick. So I pour the warm water, not that hot water, or just warm water. So yes guys, I leave it to soak for like 1 hour, and after I just go ahead and wash it. So yes guys, so this is me washing the beans. I'm going to remove all the back of the beans. So this is how I am washing it. Okay, it's necessary for you to leave it for like 1 hour for it to get soaked. So this is after I've finished washing the beans. I've removed all the back of the beans. This is how it looks. Yes, so what I'll be blending with it, I have my scotch bonnet pepper, I have my bell pepper, I have my onions. That's what I'll be blending with the beans guys. Yes, so this is my salt for taste. That will be later. Yes, so I just go ahead and poured little by little on my blender to blend the beans. Okay guys, you have to have a good blender for this, if not your blender will be spoiled. Okay, so this is me blending the beans, so I'm going to blend all of that. Okay, I have to blend it so that it will be very smooth. So yeah, that is what I'm doing basically. I'm still blending the beans, just trying to blend and blend and blend. So yeah, that is it guys. So this is after I finished blending the first one, so I'll go off camera to blend the remaining one. So I'm just going to show you this first one for you to see how I blended it. So yeah, so this is after I've blended all the beans together and the scotch bonnet pepper and all that. So I'll just go ahead and mix it. I will add my salt to taste. In this akara guys, you don't need many ingredients, you just need salt. Yes, salt you need just for the taste. That is why we are needing salt on it. So you just go ahead and mix all together. After mixing all, I place my fry pan on the fire. I will go ahead and pour my vegetable oil on it. You have to have many vegetable, and you need deep fry pan guys, so that when you are frying it, it will not go and gum on the down. So I just go ahead and put one to check it if the oil have hot. Guys, I leave this oil to hot 5 minutes before I started cutting little by little. You can cut the akara to your desired size, just like the way you want it to be. So this is my desired size. I want to cut the akara, so that's why I go ahead and cut it with my spoon. Just be placing it little by little like so. So I'm going to cut a maximum I need on the fry pan on it, and yeah, I leave it to fry. So I leave the akara to fry, and after I will just flip it over for the other side to get fried also. So yeah, because one side will not be cooked and the other side will cooked, so that will not be nice. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just I'm flipping it over for the other side to get fried. So that is what I'm doing basically. So after that, I'm going to leave it for 3 minutes for it to get fried. Yes, with a low heat guys, so that everything, both the in and out, will be well fried. It will be cooked. So yeah, so this is after it has cooked. You see the way it turns out yellow. This is a good sign that your akara is well fried. Yummy. Yes, so this is the result. This is after I fried it back and front. So this is how it turns out. So I'm just going to remove it from the oil and go off camera and fry the rest, and I will show you after I finish frying everything. Okay guys, so yeah, that is it. It's very easy. This is AKARA, Nigeria AKARA, so yummy. Yes, so I know there's a lot of work to do. That is why most people don't like to fry it at home. There's a lot of work to do. Yes, so this is after I finished frying the AKARA, guys. So this is how it look. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, like. Until I come your way next time, guys, stay blessed and bye bye.